Lean with me Power Hour. Everybody, Jay here, and welcome to my channel. So on today's video, I wanted to share with you guys a clean with me video. So in this video, I just want to test myself out to see what I can accomplish in an hour. I am going to focus on the half bath downstairs, the dining room, the kitchen, and the living room. In those areas, I will be cleaning floors. I'm going to be doing some dusting. And so we will have to see what I can accomplish within that time. And if I have extra time, I might do some extra things. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So dishes were dirty from the night before, so it was time to get started on cleaning up this kitchen. While I was cleaning these dishes, I found myself time and time again looking at the clock because I was, racing against time to see where I was with my time limit. While I was cleaning up the kitchen, I was listening to some R&B 90s music. Oh yeah, I love my 90s music. Tell me if you like to sing. Leave me a comment down below. I hope that you guys will be motivated to do some cleaning around your home today. So it was time to replace all the marshmallows and the creamer as well as the K-cups and the spinner because we were getting low. So I was like, well, it's about that time, so let's replace this stuff. If you like this type of content, be sure to subscribe to my channel. On my channel, I do DIYs, hauls, and cleaning videos. If I could only clean the house as fast as this video is. Alright you guys, so this was a workout. I'm telling you, I was sweating by the time I got into this room to clean, and I was so happy that I was pretty much done because I was like, whoo. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this Power Hour Clean With Me video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.